With Kia UVO Connect and Kia Live services, you can tap into the future and utilize geolocation and real-time data for your driving comfort. To access Kia Live, swipe from right to left on the home screen of your Kia's navigation console. Then tap on the Kia Live icon to see all features. Let's start with traffic. When your navigation system guides you to a destination, traffic will let you know if events along the road could cause a delay. The overview lists all obstructions and the estimated delay, so you can evaluate and opt for a quicker route instead. Simply tap on an event to see more details and select Recalculate to bypass traffic jams. Your route will be automatically changed on your navigation system. Bon voyage! All proud owners of electrified Kias can rest easy too. The charging station feature is your fast track to find the next and best charging point for your car. For this, return to the home screen and tap on its icon. Now you can see a list of charging stations near your current location. You can also opt to show stations along your current route, near your destination, close to a marker you set on the map, or near the city center. Next to the distance to the charging station, each result also displays the type of charger, AC or DC. Tap on the list entry to access more details, like plug type, accessibility or opening hours. If you found your pick, start guidance or add the charging station as a waypoint on your current route. To avoid desperately searching for parking spaces, tap on Live Parking on the home screen. Select the parking type you are looking for, on or off-street parking. Here you have the choice of available parking lots near your current position, along your route, near your destination, your own marker on the map, or the city center. Simply choose your favorite location and your navigation system will guide you there. Whatever you're looking for while on the road, the Live POI knows how to find it. First, enter your point of interest, the closest barber, an optician, or a vegan restaurant. It doesn't matter. You'll get your search results within a few seconds. Now, choose from the known options to select your desired location. Your navigation system will guide you there. Always know the weather ahead for a safer ride. When you tap Weather in the Kia Live menu, see the detailed weather data of your current location, at your destination, or at your selected favorite location. Once selected, you can access detailed weather information and a 5-day weather forecast including temperature, amount of rainfall, hours of sun, and wind conditions. Last but not least, Kia Live offers a feature that can save you a lot of hassle and money. The Speed Camera Alert. Swipe to the left in the main menu and tap on the Settings icon. Then on Navigation. Choose Guidance and tick the Camera Alert box. Agree if Camera Alert function is allowed in your country. And choose the volume of the acoustic signal. Now the live service is up and running. Whenever you come across a speed camera now, you'll receive a visual and acoustic alert. You can also contribute in the improvement of the alert by reporting locations of new cameras. Simply choose the location on the map and press the camera icon on the left side of the main Navi screen. Your reported camera will be updated soon. So, you see, with Kia Live services, you are always up to date on what's going on along your way.